I give my love this time?
Chat, I'm really excited because this Sunday we are going to be dedicating this show to my father, the late Roland Chambers III. He was part of the Philadelphia Sound and MFSB. He will be 70 years. I've got some special guests from the Philadelphia Sound, and I'm really excited. So please register, and we will be checking out everything that has to do with all music Philadelphia, the Philly Sound, and dedicating this to my father, the late Roland Chambers III.